The day she wore that dress, you put a book on it. You're what he wouldn't quit. Think of disgusting things and don't encourage it. And then it starts to ache, zipper's about to break. You're using every trick to try to tame your trouser snake. Listen and listen good, don't cover up your wood. A woody never should ever have to be caged or blocked. Unlock your jock, just let it pop like a jack in the box. Show him that your willy works, a step he shouldn't have to hurt. Make him scream, oh my God, as you shock him with your lightning rod. Baby, let your mojo rise. It doesn't matter what the size. You don't have to feel ashamed. Like Miley, it just can't be tamed. Boing, boing, boing. Even bigger than a Boeing, Boeing, Boeing. Sometimes it can be annoying, annoying, annoying. But now your confidence is growing. Put your package on display. Even if they scream and run away, you're the jockey of your one-eyed horse. I'm talking about your dong, of course. Someday when you're old and bored, you'll wish that you had shown it more. It's the reason that the world was born. Every girl believes in unicorns. Doing ding dong. Someday random chubbies will be gone. Doing ding dong. Can't believe I wrote a whole song.
Ducky of awesome.